Good afternoon. This is Anka Metcalf with TradeOutLoud.com. Today's Friday and it's August 16th, 2013, and it is very close to 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. As we were browsing through the charts, we came across the dollar-yen currency pair. That is actually looking very appealing for a trade into next week. So, here's our strategy. When looking at this chart, we've noticed that for a quite long period of time, and that precisely since May, it has started to trade lower. And it actually is forming a really strong downtrend right here onto the daily chart. And I'm going to grab just some trend line tools right here to show you exactly the trend that we're looking at. And you can see right here that, and this is the daily chart. So yesterday on Thursday, it hit again for the second day. So Wednesday and Thursday hit and actually created this peekaboo new high over the trend line and continued to trade lower. Now today on Friday is still trying to test this area, but the more we stay into this area and the more weakness we develop into this area. So from where it is trading right now, 97.50 into 97.80 area, and even to the top of this descending channel into 98, okay, into this 98 cent area, it will develop a lot of weakness. So this is what we're going to focusing on, this weakness that is created into the dollar yen. So let's go and drill in, zoom into the 4-hour chart and see how everything stands. So you could see the trade right here, and you could see actually the actual setup that we're looking right now. So this is the area that right now we're focusing on, and we're looking at this area, this top of the descending trend line right here as a possible stop as of now. But what we want to do is wait until Monday, see how the European session will take where the European session will take this currency pair in order for us to have a better focused entry. But in any case, look at this low right here. This is our focal area, so under 97 cents right here. So this is what we want to focus on. So this is going to be our game plan for next week. So for the week of August 19th. So we're looking to initiate a short right here under 97 with a protective stop. We would preferably have it around this area of 97.80, but we will wait for this pivot to form, and we would like to have a stop as close as possible to our entry, just to make sure that we have a good risk to reward that will be worth taking this trade. So we will monitor this area right here. In case on Monday we will get a pop into this area, we will look for a sell into this zone to take it lower. So until then, we're gonna look for a sell, like I said, under 97 with a protective stop above this pivot right here, that is 97.80. So we're looking at a risk of 80 pips. Now for targets, let's speak targets. For our first target, we're going to look into the 96.50 right here where my cursor is. And for target 2, and for here, we're looking for a gain of 50 pips. The next target that we will look at is 96, whole number as well, and a fulcrum area, and right here we're looking at a reward of 100 pips. Now target 3 level is set at the pivot low that is formed right here on August the 8th, and this is also in a fulcrum area at 95.80. Now if this currency pair is going to travel into this zone, that's going to mean a 120 pip gain for us. So just to recap real quick, this is our focal area right here. Because of the strong descent that it has had during the last few days, we will look for again a continuation of this trade lower into much lower targets up to 95.80. So this is going to be our final target for this short term. So again, this is a short-term bias, and of course, we're looking as well as a medium term. In case it will consolidate weekly into our last target level, we will look at for a continuation even lower. But until then, stick around for more updates from TradeOutLoud.com on our YouTube page. That is youtube.com/user/TradeOutLoud. And also make sure you like our Facebook page. It's facebook.com/TradeOutLoud. Thank you for being here, and thank you for tuning in. See you next time.